Hello everyone. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I'm also well.
It's alright.
So all my lovely students, in this lovely video, I would like to call my students, my some students, and they will speak about importance of English. Why English is important in our life. But first of all, I would like to tell to all my friends, all my viewers, those people, those friends who are watching my video. So I want to say to all of you, if you are new person on my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos from my channel. And in this video, you will see my some students, and they will speak about the importance of English and why English is important in their life. So they will speak according to their self, by their self, because they have not prepared by any by support of anyone, and I have not told them you have to write this type of, because they have prepared about importance of English, and whatever they know about importance of English they will speak. Okay guys, so now I'm going to call my student. He is Amit Kumar, so please put your hands together for Amit. Okay, now Amit, you can speak about importance of English.
Hello, respected teachers and all my lovely friends. A beautiful good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you?
I am fine and you?
I am also good.
It's alright.
Thank you. I am very thankful to Mr. Anil sir, because he has given me a golden chance to speak something, tell about importance of English. But before starting my topic, first of all I would like to tell about myself. My name is Amit Kumar. I live at Basdila. I am 11 years old. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to become doctor. It's all about myself. Now I am going to tell about importance of English. English is an international language. It's spoken in all over the world. English is very necessary in our life. English is most important for higher education. English is the third language in the world. Without English we can't read newspaper. Without English we can't operate computer. English is also language of science, computer technology. English is sweet language, common language and interesting language. English is spoken as national 53 country. It is used as the mother tongue. English is very necessary in our life. That's all. Thank you.
Yeah, so guys, this was so wonderful speech, and Amit spoke about importance of English, whatever he knew, and he spoke about the importance of English. So now I'm going to call my second student. So please put your hands together for Rita Kumari.
Hello, respected teacher and all my dear friends. A beautiful good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you, friends?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine.
It's alright.
Thank you. I am very thankful to Mr. Anil sir, because who has given me a golden chance to speak something about importance of English. But before starting my topic, I would like to tell about myself. My name is Rita Kumari. I come from Basdila. I study in 8th class from Rajkiya Madhya Vidyalaya Basdila. I am 12 years old. I want to be doctor in my life. Now I am going to tell about importance of English. English is an international language. It's spoken in all over the world. English is most important for higher education. English is third language in the world. In some country, it is used as the mother tongue. Without English, we can't get a good job. If you know how to speak English, then we can get a good job. English is important for WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram and all social media. Without English, we can't talk to foreign people. Without English, we can't. Without English, we can't. Very. Without English, we can't talk to foreign people. English is also language of science, computer technology. English is most important for everyone. English is very necessary in our life. Without English, we can't read English. We can't read English newspaper. English is most important for higher education. English is sweet language, common language, and interesting language. Without English, we can't become engineer, doctor, and other good person. If you know how to learn English, read English, and speak English, then we can become doctor, scientist, and other good person. We can share ideal, common sense idea easily idea and with English. Without English is important to also make a good career. English is third language in the world. English is also language of science, computer, technology. That- That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Rita, your speech was so fantastic and so well. So please put your hands together for Rita again. Because she has spoken very fantastic, and whatever she had knowledge about importance of English, she spoke. So it's really good for Rita, because guys, don't mind about my students, because they are beginner and they have been learning English for 2 months, or it is about like 3 months. Okay, so no problem, just they are beginner and they are trying to speak about any topic like importance of English, importance of education, importance of technology, importance of mobile. So if you speak about any topic, then you will get many words, many sentences, and you will get many ideas, and you will know how to speak about any topic. Okay guys, so now I'm going to call my next student. So please put your hands together for Mausami Kumari. Speak.
Hello respected teachers and all my lovely friends. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
How are you all?
I am fine, and you?
I am also good.
It's all right.
Okay, I am very thankful to Mr. Anil sir, because he has given me a golden chance to speak something about importance of English. But before starting my topic, first of all, I would like to tell about myself. My name is Mausami Kumari. I live at Westila. I have just completed 12th. My hobby is reading books. I want to be educated girl. It's all about myself. And today I am going to tell about importance of English. English is an international language. English is an international language. It's spoken in all over the world. English is important for our introduction. English is important for higher education. English is important for WhatsApp, YouTube, Instagram, and all social media. English is important for Instagram. Without English, we can't get a good job. If you know how to read English, learn English, and speak English, then we can get a good job. English is important for business, because if you know English, then your business can run very well, because there are so many different types of people come. If you know English, then you can online shopping, and you can online order any product. Without English, we can't become a doctor, engineer, and other good person. If you know how to read English and speak English and learn English, then we can become engineer, doctor, and other great person. English is a sweet language, common language, and interesting language. English is also language of science, computer, technology. English is third language in the world. It also helps tourist players who visit a different country. Today, English has become more important and popular language nowadays. Today, English has become important to make a good career. So you should learn English, read English, and speak English. English is one of the most important language in the world. Without English, we can't operate computer. So you should learn English, read English, and speak English. English is very necessary in our life. Now I am going to stop my voice. That's all. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, this was so superb speech by Mausami Kumari, because she spoke about many things like English is important for social media. English is important for our career. If you know English, then you can become a good person in your life, and you can get a good job anywhere in the world. So this is really so nice speech. And now I'm going to call my next student. So please put your hands together for Jyoti Kumari.
Hello, respected teacher and all my dear friends. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
I am very thankful to Mr. Anil Kumar sir because who has given me a golden chance to speak something about importance of English. But before starting my topic, I would like to tell about myself. My name is Jyoti Kumari. I live at Basdila. I read in class BSc first year. My hobby is reading books. I want to become an educated girl. It's all about myself. Now I am going to tell about importance of English. English is an international language. It's spoken in all over the world. English is also important for everyone. Without English, we can't get a good job. If you know how to English, then we can get a good job. Without English, we can't English newspaper. We can't read English newspaper. Without English, then we can't go to every field.
Yes.
Without English, then we can't doctor and engineer. If we know how to English, then we can go to every field. English is also important of science, computer, technology. English is most important for WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram, and all social media. English has become more important and popular language nowadays. It helps tourist place who visit a different country. English is also important for air ticket, train ticket, metro ticket, because everything is written in English. English is also important. Make a good career. So you should learn English, read English, and speak English. That's all. Thank you.
Okay guys, so Jyoti, she also spoke about English is important for air ticket, train ticket, metro ticket, because you know everything is written in English. Because if you don't read English, if you don't know how to read English, how to understand English, then how can you know about your exactly time, and how can you know about your train, metro, like everything written in English. So in nowadays, we all should learn English, we all should speak English, so that we can get a good job in any country, in any field, like in doctoral field, in medical field, in engineer field, in banking. We can get a good job because of English language. Because of English language, you can become a motivational speaker, and because of English language, you can become, like you know, a language trainer. So this is really good, and this is a nice opportunity. So we all should learn English, and we all should try to speak English. So guys, now I would like to stop my video because this is long video, and in this video my 4 students, they have spoken about importance of English. So guys, if you like this video, so then please subscribe my channel, and you can also comment how is this video and what should I improve in this video. So if this video is useful or not, you can comment. Okay, so guys, bye everyone, see you in my next video.